Best mildew cleaners comparison. Mold and mildew growth can be a persistent and unsightly problem in homes, particularly in damp areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Left untreated, mold can lead to health issues and damaged surfaces, making effective cleaners essential for maintaining a clean and safe environment. This comparative review evaluates 5. List number. The Sugalari Mold Stain Cleaner Gel is a budget-friendly option designed for versatile use across multiple surfaces, including bathroom grout, kitchen sinks, and washing machine gaskets. Its gel formula allows for targeted application, and its long-lasting capacity ensures that a single bottle can last up to 12 months. The included brush adds convenience, making it easy to apply the gel directly to stubborn stains. The product is unscented, which is ideal for users sensitive to strong odors. During testing, the Sugalari gel proved effective for removing light to moderate mold stains, especially on silicone sealants and tile grout. However, it requires 5 to 8 hours to work, which may be inconvenient for users seeking a quicker solution. While the gel clings well to vertical surfaces, it is less effective on deeply embedded stains, and additional applications may be necessary. The lack of scrubbing required is a notable advantage, but users should wear gloves during application for safety. List new Concrebium Mold Control Spray is an EPA-registered formula designed to eliminate mold, mildew, and musty odors while preventing regrowth. Its odorless and biodegradable composition makes it safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, including walls, ceilings, and furniture. The spray creates an invisible barrier as it dries, effectively crushing mold spores without the need for harsh chemicals or bleach. In testing, Concrebium excelled at treating large areas efficiently, covering up to 110 square feet per bottle. Its ability to prevent mold regrowth makes it a standout choice for long-term mold management. However, while it is effective for maintenance and prevention, it may require additional cleaning steps to remove visible stains. The spray application is straightforward, but users should ensure thorough coverage for optimal results. List number. Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner is a premium solution designed for outdoor use on surfaces such as driveways, patios, roofs, and decks. Its concentrated formula requires dilution with water and application using a garden sprayer. The product works passively with rain and wind to clean surfaces over time, eliminating the need for scrubbing or pressure washing. One bottle can cover large areas and lasts for multiple applications. The Wet and Forget Cleaner performed exceptionally well on outdoor surfaces during testing, effectively removing green stains within weeks and black stains over several months. Its long-lasting cleaning effect is a major advantage, as treated surfaces can remain clean for up to a year. However, the slow cleaning process may not appeal to users seeking immediate results. Additionally, its premium price point and outdoor-specific use limit its. List number. Chloralin All-Purpose Spray is a versatile cleaning solution designed for both bathroom and kitchen use. Its 2-in-1 formula tackles heavy stains, soap scum, and grease while deodorizing surfaces with a fresh scent. The ergonomically designed trigger spray bottle makes application easy and efficient, allowing users to quickly cover large areas. During testing, Chloralin demonstrated strong cleaning power against soap scum and grease, making it ideal for daily use in high-traffic areas. Its pleasant scent adds a refreshing touch to cleaning routines. However, it is less specialized for mold and mildew removal compared to other products in this review, limiting its effectiveness for severe mold issues. Additionally, its availability may vary depending on location. List 5. The Gelivable Mold Remover Gel is a compact, bleach-free solution designed for household use on surfaces like tile, grout, glass, and refrigerator strips. Its gel formula clings to vertical surfaces for targeted cleaning, making it ideal for small, localized mold stains. The product is safe for the environment and contains no harsh chemicals, making it a healthier choice for indoor use. In testing, Gelivable proved effective at removing light mold stains quickly, often within 3 to 5 hours. Its easy application process and compact size make it convenient for treating specific problem areas. However, the small bottle size may not be suitable for larger cleaning tasks, and its performance on deeply embedded stains is limited. The lack of a brush or applicator requires users to rely on their own tools for application.